Jaguar Health could possibly have a 2 to 3 times week. As well, there's a possible merger with Virgin Orbit and VGAC. What's up, guys? BigFinance here, and yes, Jags could have a possible 2 to 3 times week, as they are going to be announcing a possible merge with a SPAC over in Europe. And then another SPAC we were talking about is VGAC, as Richard Branson has talked about taking Virgin Orbit public, and last time he did, he went through a SPAC. As well, don't forget to click the first link in the description, as that will take you to our Discord server, where we've been talking about these stocks for the past week. We as well keep constant updates on many other stocks, and if you want to be a part of that, click the first link. As well, please consider subbing and liking, as that will help the channel out a lot. So guys, starting off with Jaguar Health. On first day of market, Tuesday, it had a decent run, but stayed about even throughout the day, as it was only between $3.15 and $3.25 until the end of the day, which it took a huge dip. And then on Wednesday, it took even a bigger dip, and then stayed about even until the end of the day, which then it spiked back up. Then for Tuesday and Friday, it went up a little bit. It went all the way up to $3.36, and then it went back down. I could see huge potential for this in the next week as well for long term, and I'll get right into it. The first thing I want to cover with Jaguar Health is the potential merge of Napo EU, and they're going to be talking about that on January the 27th, which is a Thursday this week at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. You can convert that to your time about, I think, Pacific time. That would be about 4 or 5 in the morning, I'm pretty sure. And they're going to provide some updates about all of that. I just want to cover this quickly at the start, just so you get an idea of what this stock could do around Thursday. As well, here on Investor Placer, as well, talking about the Napo EU merge with JAGX, how it could possibly bump up the stock, which I feel the same. So early market or before market, and then maybe slightly early market, I think it's going to stay even. But after this webinar, I feel like this stock could start spiking up soon, because I really feel like that they're going to announce some really good things in this webinar that's just going to make investors confident, and then that should keep the price going up. And I do have a price target for JAGX, but I'll show you some more information before I tell you. So here for my chart for JAGX, I have a resistance level of $3.80, and then I as well have a support of $3.10. It did dip down Wednesday, but then it went back up above the support, so I'm more confident in it than I was Wednesday. But with the resistance at being at $3.80, I think it could possibly hit that. And after it hits $3.80, I could see this start getting bigger and bigger spikes. As well, it has flattened out more for the past couple of days and weeks, because it's just not as big information's coming out. As well, the hype has died down. So you can see right here the number of trades. This was one of the biggest things. As well, a big spike from 40 cents all the way up to 60 cents. So about a 33% gain here. And then it kept on spiking after that a couple more days. So you can see here after that big spike, it leveled out and then spiked up. I don't think something with this big of a percentage is going to happen, but I think something like that could be possible. As you see, it has evened out, and I think Thursday we could see it break the $3.80 resistance and then start spiking up. I set a price target for this for about $5 to $8 to $9, somewhere around there as my price target for JAGX. As after they announced the possible merge deal with Napo EU, I could see the stock start taking big spikes as well. We could see more people trading, which is always great, as that usually helps the stock go up. And then with VGAC, Richard Branson is thinking about taking Virgin Orbit public via SPAC. He as well took Virgin Galactic via SPAC, and that's right now at $34. And when he announced that he was going to go through with a SPAC for Virgin Galactic, it was at about $15-16. I could see VGAC keep on steadily, slowly going up, as ARK Invest as well is buying shares for their space exploration ETF. I could see that keep on going up, but until the rumors are true and Richard Branson comes out saying that Virgin Orbit will go public via SPAC with VGAC, I could then after that see this shoot up to 22, 25, maybe even $30 in just a couple of weeks after the announcement. As well with VGAC, Richard Branson is thinking about taking Virgin Orbit via SPAC, and last time he took a Virgin company via SPAC, it was Virgin Galactic, which is now at $34. It went from 15 when he announced it to 34, which
is where it's at the time of recording. As well, ARK Invest has been buying tons and tons of shares for their space and exploration ETF, as they are believing that there could be a possible merger with VGAC. As well, Richard Branson and Virgin Orbit had a successful launch from one of their aircrafts with a satellite taking it to space, as that is getting them closer and closer to putting satellites in space for internet use, as that's what's the main thing, where they can have cheaper and more available internet to everybody around. So with ARK Invest thinking about or have been buying more and more shares, and then rumors of Richard Branson taking Virgin Orbit via SPAC again, this back lines up with all the puzzle pieces for Virgin Orbit, and it's looking very well with high potential I see in the future. As well, if Virgin Orbit doesn't go with VGAC, VGAC could as well find other people to go public that could as well bump the stock up. But it probably won't do as much as Virgin Orbit. But if you look at what Virgin Orbit and VGAC will do, like they line up very well. And after the successful launch, and Richard Branson went on CNBC talking about how he's going to go public via SPAC, most likely with Virgin Orbit. This is just looking very well, and I say get in early, or else you may have to buy when it's at $18-$20 and you may not get as big as profit. As well, it's more risky right now than it was for me because I bought down at $13.50. So I only have about $3.50 to lose, while right now it's about $14.50, which is much bigger risk for you guys. But if you believe that Virgin Orbit will go public via SPAC with VGAC, then this could look like a possible buy. And this is why I'm talking about Virgin Orbit having a successful launch of one of their satellites from their aircraft, as here is one of their first successful launches. And as soon as they did this, Richard Branson went on CNBC and talked about going via SPAC. And VGAC has everything that Virgin Orbit needs. And I gotta say, it's kind of a coincidence how he came out talking about it right after the successful launch. Is that they may need some more funds, and going via SPAC could be a great way, and VJAC looks really good for them.
So guys, thank you for watching. As well, remember that this video is made for entertainment purposes, and before you should buy any stocks in the market, always do your research first, as that's the best way to get informed, not by taking advice from me or any other YouTuber. Always do your research, and as well know this was made for entertainment purposes. Thank you guys for watching, and stay safe.